How to log in to Fidelity Investments. Now in order to do that, just simply open any of the browser that you use and after search Fidelity Investment in there. After that, this first link of fidelity.com will appear and under that you will get to see the option of login. Tap to login button and after tapping into the login button, the website of Fidelity Investment will open up. You have to wait for the page to load, then you will see something like this interface, and now here you need to enter your username at upper box, and after entering your username, enter your password into this lower box. After entering your username and password correctly, check this box if you want to save your login credentials in your browser. If not, you can simply uncheck it and just simply tap the login button after that and you will successfully be logged in to your Fidelity Investment account. I hope this video have been informative to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.